Congress's Bharat Jodo Yatra that just about entered Rajasthan, Rahul Gandhi blows kisses to all those baiters. Rahul Gandhi blows a flying kiss to Modi fans. As soon as he entered an area in Rajasthan, there were some people standing on top of their homes and chanting Modi, Modi, raising slogans in praises of Modi. And during this yatra, Rahul Gandhi, as he spotted them, blew a flying kiss to them, almost encouraging them to come down and walk with him in Rajasthan as part of the Bharat Jodo Yatra. In fact, let me correct myself here. This is Madhya Pradesh. As the Bharat Jodo Yatra enters Agar Malwa, Madhya Pradesh, you have Modi chants that were being raised, and many of them on top of their rooftops and at their homes chanting Modi, Modi slogans, pro-Modi slogans. Rahul Gandhi taking a look at them and blowing flying kisses to them. Watch Rahul's response to Modi, Modi chants. Rahul Gandhi's Bharat Jodo Yatra as it enters Madhya Pradesh. We're seeing, as right as he visits this area, Agar Malwa district, some people standing on a house raising slogans, pro-Modi slogans. Rahul Gandhi walking, pointing out at them, blowing, in fact, giving them some flying kisses and egging them on to come join him as part of the yatra. Quickly cut across to Maushmi joining us live for a little more. Maushmi, Rahul Gandhi and his classic move, showing all love to the people of Madhya Pradesh soon as he enters. Of course, pro-Modi slogans were natural, inevitable in fact. Madhya Pradesh, as it's currently governed by the BJP, we hear that there were chants, pro-Modi chants that were raised as soon as Rahul Gandhi entered Agar Malwa region, that district, and Rahul in response has given them some flying kisses. A classic Rahul Gandhi move, isn't it?
Yes, in fact, and you know, Nabila, that did happen in Agar in Madhya Pradesh. That's the border of Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan, as the yatra actually reached Rajasthan yesterday. And it's not happened for the first time. We've seen in the Bharat Jodo Yatra, even earlier, there were Modi, Modi chants by some youngsters, probably somewhere in the beginning of Madhya Pradesh. And Rahul Gandhi, in fact, we saw him signaling to them to join the yatra, and then the youth actually just vanished in thin air. So this has not happened for the first time. Rahul has, you know, in fact responded to Modi supporters here with a flying kiss somewhere by asking them to join the yatra. And I can recall, you know, even Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in Uttar Pradesh, when there were chants of Yogi and Modi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in a classic act threw a garland to the supporters who were chanting Modi, Modi. So the siblings perhaps responding to criticism and also opposition, or perhaps support for the opposition leaders in this fashion, Nabila.
All right, can we quickly cut across to the visual yet again and showing Rahul Gandhi as he enters Madhya Pradesh, which is currently governed by the BJP there, blowing kisses at all those critiques of Rahul Gandhi as he enters MP. Some people right on their rooftops chanting pro-Modi slogans. Rahul Gandhi in response blows flying kisses at them, and some of his supporters there egging them on to come join this Bharat Jodo Yatra, which has been on over 100 days now, entered Madhya Pradesh.